here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What's up, Wagwan? If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning back in. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I'm gonna give you like 10 seconds to do that. Thank you for subscribing. And before we get into this video, I would love if you guys could follow me on all socials at Hey Siri, Hey Siri _ on Twitter. And you know, let's have some fun so you can see what I'm doing and everything. And today we'll be doing the Smack or Fact challenge with a special guest, my big sister.
You're doing the most.
Okay. So guys, this is my big sister. You see how she pretty? Look how she pretty. Look how she nice. Nice and clean.
Stop it.
You know, she nice. She nice. So we're gonna do the Smack or Fact challenge. Now she's my big sister and we're very close. So I'm not gonna ask no question like how old am I, what's my favorite color, them simple question. No, I'm not ask them question. I'm ask some real deep question. We got the almonds powder, guys. The almonds powder, okay? We have it. So I got smack her, she get it wrong and she want me go first. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna start off nice and smooth. What was my first nickname ever?
Look at Tia.
Oh, see how me nice? You see how me nice, guys? Yeah. And my grandma made a song. She was like, little Tia, Tia, little Tia, Tia, little Tia, Tia. But yeah, waste of powder.
Like, seriously, girl? What year I started high school?
Hold on. I graduated from primary school.
What year?
Wait.
Which side? You gotta take your box one.
Me take it on this side, but me not. You not give me yet. Hold on.
What year?
Me graduate from.
Did I start?
2014. No. That's when you graduate.
Hey,
wait.
What's your final answer? Hurry up.
Oh my God, I know this. I know it. May have it think longer.
No, well, we don't have time.
Yeah, we have time.
They're waiting.
A few moments later.
2005.
Wrong.
Sherise, that's hot.
Really sorry.
That's hot.
I'm so sorry.
You miss something
Next
weak.
time we want to play the game here, you know. Like,
You miss something, can't believe it. You miss something weak.
Sorry.
My birthday week.
me fix it for you. Don't worry yourself.
What's one of my ideal place to visit? Like my dream place? Paris.
No,
Final answer?
No, that's not my final answer then. Wait, my head hurt me. My headache. You can't.
Me now go back to your heart, cause me no wicked like you.
Wait. Syrannie, we did have one conversation one time and you said
Miss Paris.
You want to go Paris. You want to be
Final
Paris.
answer.
Iraq.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That was a joke. No.
No, but make me never take it as a joke. You say you want to visit Iraq, so you
Always a joke, but
Alright.
it was actually Dubai. You see how me nice, guys? Me never box her hard.
Who do I have the longest friendship with?
Longest ever?
Longest friendship.
Allison. Allison. Wait, I know my final answer.
No, you give your answer.
Wait, Una still friend right now?
Who?
Antoinette?
Wrong. Come, girl.
What?
Come. Hold your face. No, me on the side.
No, me alright with that.
Okay.
Stay up on one side.
Turn. No, you turn to me. Look at me. Turn to look at me. Chud.
Oh yes! Oh God! Why?
person I've had a friendship with, and also we have never had a disagreement. Like
She never said, give me holiday. Right. What was the first business idea I came up with that I wanted to do?
The first business idea?
Yeah. Between last year and this year.
Square shares.
Nope.
Our
Think again.
Wait. The first business idea? Excuse me. Wait. Not square shares?
Nope.
What I have to do it? Wait, sorry. Hold on.
You have one more try.
Things to do with technology.
No.
Alright.
Makeup.
No!
Yeah. Anyways, guys, look there. She had deal with me too rough.
Who are my two best friends?
Chun and Amelia.
Ain't wrong.
Amelia. Allison.
Or should I say three?
Amelia, Allison, Chun.
Yeah, you got it right. You got it right.
Oh.
You got it right.
I know her friends. Like, they're my friends too. Hi, guys. How many subjects did I do in high school?
10?
I'll say honestly, me not even know myself.
A 10 you do.
A 10?
What's my biggest fear?
Losing your mother. That's mine too.
Alright, girl, go on.
Not even good girl. What career did I want to do as a kid? Or
If you be one doctor, one neurosurgeon.
Nope. As a child,
What? What you say?
when me the younger, what a career me used to want do as a kid
When you
or
grow up,
become.
when you grow up,
Yeah.
you want to become that person.
Not since high school or primary school or prep school.
One teacher.
I was hoping she got that wrong. Do you really
Did you
want
want to
to
be one teacher, girl?
Remember me used to slap guys, I used to beat the teddy bears.
Everybody
And
do that.
teach that.
What is my most hated chore, and why?
We laundromat, going to the laundromat.
And why?
Because you never yet tell me why. That
Come here, like fold clothes, like.
and she just can't bother.
Just like fold
But,
clothes.
because she have me. So that means I may get half a mark, right?
Yeah.
So you have to just do some poop.
I saw you do half, mom.
No, you give me full dose. When is the saddest moment you have ever seen me?
When Uncle Al died.
That's one off, but yeah.
A moment of silence for all the fallen soldiers. I'm a soldier with a family member.
Yeah.
Yeah. She even gets set up
R.I.P.
to this day.
Yeah.
She talk about Uncle Al.
Like right now, I feel like I want to cry, but that is one of my saddest moments.
If money was no object, what would I buy?
For yourself or for your family?
In general, like, if me should get one bag of money right now, I want some money right now, what would I buy?
House, car, and land, business and everything.
That's true.
What's my favorite food? My go-to food. What my go-to?
Rasta pasta. To be exact, shrimp rasta pasta. Yeah. Girl, would I eat that every day? What's my all-time favorite dessert?
Cheesecake.
Okay. So that's
What is a new slang I've started to say?
what?
What is a new slang I've started to say? Please get it wrong.
I have one new song with stripes.
That's your final answer?
No.
Correct? No.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Do I want to have kids one day and how many?
Yes, you do. And you want to have 2 to 3.
No. There's
Yeah.
no 2 to 3, nothing. It's a definite answer. A definite number.
2.
Okay, there you go. Now we are give me one more for 2.
What's my favorite hobby?
You have so much.
Actually,
Your favorite-
name 2 of my favorite hobbies.
exercising and reading. Which subject was my least favorite subject from like 7th grade to like around 9th grade?
Spanish.
No.
Maths.
No.
Music.
I'm gonna tell you this already. I'm gonna tell you some usually hide from the class. And even when I go to class, I live in the water. I'm just
Agriculture.
I'm help you with that. So.
Agriculture. She never used to like the cut the chicken. Like she go Froom Tech, big up the Froom Techinians in here. She used to go Froom Tech and they used to have a cut off chicken head, and Sherise is not a fan of blood. What are my 2 top career choice I want to go in? 2 top ones.
You want to be one doctor? I want a neurosurgeon.
That's wrong. Not that type of doctor. I used to want to be that.
So,
But you're right. Doctor and what else?
And you want to be going in the army.
Yeah.
Hence your t-shirt. Do I worry too much about what others think?
Hell no. Hell no.
Easy.
She's the most nonchalant, non-caring. She doesn't care. Only person she care about their opinion, me, mommy. Yeah. Period. Okay, guys, we're about to end this with a bonus question. And if she doesn't get it right, boom. What number am I thinking of right now?
16.
Oh, hell no.
No, wait. How many know which number you think of?
So
You know what? You know what? You can't box me.
Me can't box you.
No, me can't.
You see? That's why it's a bonus question.
I can't read your mind.
So you get it wrong, and that's okay.
Then, no, that's not a question.
So-
no, you just want me to get one question wrong. No, you have to ask something else. Come, I'm going to box you too if you box me. So please ask me a different
Guys,
question.
you see how she stay at there.
Please ask me
Let
a
me
different
box you.
question. No, because I cannot
Oh my god.
think of what you're
Nobody
The
cares.
last person I talked to.
Who was the last
Today.
person you talked to?
Mhm.
What you mean?
Text.
Phone?
Text, yeah.
My girl, me can't go to your message them.
Okay,
Let me tell you. Nashima. Bang, bang, bang.
this kind of upset
Should I
me.
try pull one fast one? But why number what should I think about? Like, how am I supposed to know that?
Again, guys, for tuning in to the Smack
And
or
the girl
Fact
with the powder and
challenge.
chest. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Thank you. See you in the next video. Boo.